In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove objects from a video in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva home page, click the Create a Design button and choose Video to start a new project. After the video editor opens, upload the video you want to edit by clicking Uploads on the left side and adding your video file. Drag the video onto the canvas so it appears in the timeline. Play the video and pause at the moment where the unwanted object appears. Next, take a screenshot of that frame using your computer's screenshot shortcut. After capturing the screenshot, paste the image into a new Canva page or design. Select the image and click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Then choose the Magic Eraser tool. Use the brush to paint over the object you want to remove from the screenshot. Canva will automatically erase the object and fill the area to match the background. Once the object is removed, crop the edited image to keep only the clean background area. Return to your video page and place the cropped image over the object you want to hide in the video. Resize and position the image so it blends naturally with the video background. Preview the video to make sure the unwanted object is covered. Finally, click Share and then Download to export your edited video.